In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and let me show you how to set up gesture navigation bar here. So as you can see, currently we are using buttons, and if you would like to change it, just open the settings, then find and select navigation. Tap on navigation bar, and as you can see, you can smoothly pick gestures by tapping on swipe gestures. If you'll tap on more options, you will be able to choose one from the following options. So it can be with free button or just one line at the bottom. It's up to you. Also, you can change the gesture sensitivity. And how it works, you just need to slide up once to go to your home screen, slide from left to right or from right to left to go back, and then to see all recently used apps, just slide up and hold it for a while, just like this. So this is it. Obviously, you can go back to button navigation the same way. Just open navigation bar, and then you can go to buttons, and then you can also change the layout if you want to. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can manage your navigation bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.